So I got a lot work done on the 67. This was originally a 68 car that I converted into a 67 Fastback. So I got a lot of work done to it, and still got a lot of work to go on it. Just doing a quick walk around. I just took it out for a spin for the first time since I completed the conversion. And basically just doing a walk around, showing you guys how it came out. GT fog lights. I put the halo LED lights as the headlights to replace the original factory. I got majority of the interior done. Still got a ways to go. Had a very hard time getting that door panel on. Still don't have this door panel on due to the fact that the clip holes for that door panel is in a different location than the factory. So I had to make, a lot of modifications to that panel. And I would recommend not going with those panels. I'm trying to remember who manufactured them. But as you can see, I got the carpet in, got the front seats in. Rear interior, just got the bottom part. The fold down assembly, I have to basically sand the original paint off and paint it the factory parchment color. I bought it used off eBay because the assembly, as most of you guys know, cost around $1,500, and I got it on eBay for like $600, the entire assembly, and I put the upholstery on it. There's part of the assembly right here, so I just test fitted everything so I can make sure I got my rear interior brackets in the correct location. That's my convertible there. But convertible, same thing, fog lights, halo headlights. But basically I just put the fold down assembly in the car to make sure that the brackets were all in a location. I mocked everything up before I welded the brackets in and got them perfectly set up. I still got a lot to do to this car. I still got to wet sand, buff, and cut. I also have to put all the lettering, put the Ford lettering on, the emblems and the letters there on the fender. I also have to put the Mustang letters on the deck lip back here. So this project is still ongoing. I'm anticipating it's probably going to be another 7 days before it's finally completed. But Fastback, this is the car that I always wanted, and I ended up finding a great deal on a coupe, and drove all the way to New Jersey to get the coupe. And he had did so much to the engine. I mean, everything was like freaking brand new. I mean, it looked much better than what you're seeing here because a lot of this dust was created with me working on the car because, I cut the roof off, the back half of the car off. I mean, I had to replace the outer wheel tubs or wheel wells, whatever you want to call them. And had to replace the trunk, the pan that goes down in this area here. Had to replace all of that because it was rusted out. So of course, when you're cutting metal, you're painting, you're doing everything that I did to this car, it's going to create a lot of dust. I mean, I literally vacuumed this car out when nothing was in here no less than 5 times because that's how much dust that you're going to create. I'm actually getting ready to take the steering wheel off. I'm getting rid of the wood grain dash. I'm going with all that brushed aluminum that you see on the door panel there. The dash is going to match up with that all the way across. And then, of course, I'm going with the aftermarket steering wheel, get rid of this grandmother looking steering wheel. And like I said, I got probably 10 more days before this project is officially done. And I'll give you guys some updates. I'm debating about whether or not I'm going to put the rocker stripes along there. I haven't decided if I want to go with white or black since I painted the tail light panel metallic silver. I wanted to go with silver stripes, but I can't find them anywhere. And let me show you guys this really quick because I'm sure most Mustang enthusiasts are aware. You guys are aware of the aftermarket LED turn signals for the rear. So you can see. So you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of those, but I also implemented a turn signal inside of the headlight. So yeah, I'm getting rid of the wood grain, going with all brushed aluminum. Here, this piece here, this was, believe it or not, I got the Marty report on it. With all these features, I can't remember what category it was, but it was only like 8 of these cars made with these features. But like I said, this was an original coupe car, and it came with these lights for the belt, the door, the fuel, and the park. And I'm gonna take the new piece I got, the brushed aluminum, and mock those up and put those in there as well. So those are gonna still be there. And just get rid of the wood grain and go with the modernized, you know, brushed aluminum look. So that is where I'm at with this project. I will create more videos. I still got to get my floor console in. This car came with the floor console, and it had no wiring for it. And I looked in here everywhere and down underneath here to see if I can find the console wiring, and I did not see any. So I don't know if this car even came with that. So all said and done, you know, I'm gonna have to, you know, wire that up for the floor console. I'll keep you guys posted. Until next time, believe in yourself. Know that you can do it. I never worked with metal before. I never took on a task of this magnitude or even this type of task at all. Like, I've never done body work. I've done body work as far as like painting and, you know, working with different types of Bondo material and stuff like that. But as far as putting on raw sheet metal, mocking things up, welding, doing all of that stuff, I've never done it before. So if I can do it, you can do it. And I'm not a professional painter. I did everything in that garage, everything, the entire build. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. Until next time, see you guys later.